Now, the first thing that I've incorporated here is I added in this animated text right here where you can actually have animations on specific text. We've also incorporated a CSS AI with this text right here to give it this really cool 3D effect. Now, another thing that I'll walk you through is how to use the CSS with AI feature. If I hover over this button right here, you're going to see that it animates to this gradient, and this was all done using the Pro version with CSS and AI. So I'll walk you through how to do that as well. Another really cool feature is adding in pop-up menus. If I click on this button right here, we have this really sleek pop-up menu. Now you can incorporate pop-ups on your website any which way you choose, but I like to use pop-ups as a menu. I just feel like it looks really professional and it's just really, really easy on the eye. You can also incorporate pop-ups when they click a button and just ask for, their email or something else, or even incorporate a video player right here to promote your products or services. You can also use pop-ups automatically. So if you just scroll down, you can incorporate pop-ups to just display on your website automatically.